at 3 minutes Milo mug cake. This is the ingredients. 4 tablespoons of cake flour, 4 tablespoons of Milo, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 1 egg. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients and mix up. Now I'm done mixing my mug cake. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave from 3 minutes. Now my cake is ready. Now I can try it. Yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share and subscribe and goodbye.